It's in the air right now. It is lifted off of the water. We'll get a little closer to it here. It's about a foot off the water, even more in the front there. Got a little cool boat you can drive around, lower it in the water, and go fishing somewhere. When you like to have that out in the Keys and go up to one of those sandbars where they're having a big party, and boy, you could rock. You could have a live band on there. All kinds of cool stuff. Let's have another look here from another side. It's called the RV Polly. And they are a working recovery boat, research vessel. Cool boat. Cool boat. Let's go see the other side. Cool boat. Liking it. Let's get over here a little bit. Yeah, I'd like to have that. I could live on that. Don't want to go to work on it. Over here we got the Americana. This boat's been here forever. You could probably buy it really cheap. Got the paddle wheel out there and some kind of tugboat. And then I don't know if it's a real steamship or a facsimile of therein. Let's get a closer look at the Americana. This is live from Green Coast Springs, Florida. This is the Americana. The police use this for a practice boat. They practice boarding it and come out here with ropes and climb up on it from a boat. I still think that's the coolest boat around. Talk about being stable on the water. You just pick yourself up in the air. Get some bad weather, up you go. Saves you on barnacles on the bottom. Can't grow on it too much. If it's up out of the water, right? We'll get a quick look at the other side of the boat here. You can see some of the casino boats, if there's any left here. Yep, there's one in a Carnival cruise boat. Still here. They're still here. That's a big ship. And there's a catamaran out there. Casino boat. And you can see the paddle wheel.